Hi. Welcome to Portal 7. AI is revolutionizing video editing by automating complex tasks, enhancing creativity, and improving efficiency. AI-powered tools can help create professional quality videos with minimal effort. It can enhance footage, making editing faster and more accessible. So in this video, let's take a closer look at the new version of WinXVideo AI. WinX Video AI is a powerful AI-driven tool designed to enhance, convert, and edit videos with remarkable efficiency. It utilizes advanced artificial intelligence to upscale resolution, stabilize shaky footage, and improve overall video quality. Whether you're a content creator, video editor, or casual user, WinX Video AI simplifies complex video tasks with its intuitive interface and GPU acceleration. It supports various formats, ensuring compatibility across multiple devices. Additionally, it offers features like video compression, downloading, and recording, making it an all-in-one solution for media processing. With its AI-powered enhancements, WinX Video AI delivers professional-grade results effortlessly. You can get the download link in the video's description and pinned comment. Click on Download. Go with the basic installation. Click Open. At first launch, it will show your PC's hardware information. Then you will see this kind of dashboard. At first we will explore Video AI. Click on Video AI. Now drag and drop any video clip. Here I will drop a 720 pixel video. At first launch, it can take some time to download AI models. Now let's take a look on its dashboard. In video window at the top left you can see input video resolution and frame rate, and top right you will see output video resolution and frame rate. Here you have option to see input-output in split window or in dual window. By dragging split line you can see before and after result. At top right you will see some settings. First you have to choose GPU, it may be your processor or graphic card. Now set deinterlacing to auto. Next you have 3 video editing options. First one is super resolution, that is used to upscale video resolution. Let's try it on this video. You have to choose one AI model here from 4 different AI models. Here I will use Generative Detail version 3. It's best option for natural and people video. You can try different model according to your video. Once you select AI model, it shows specifications for video type. You have option to choose high quality mode or fast mode. Now select 2x, 3x or 4x to upscale. You can also set video resolution manually. You can only enhance video too, without upscaling, by choosing Enhance option. Below you will see export settings. Once everything set, click on Run. Output is ready, let's play it. As you can see, video resolution is now 2560 by 1440 pixel. Here you can see output video is much sharper and clear. Now let's try next feature. I have added this video to test frame interpolation. First I will set enhance video as no upscaling need here. Now in frame interpolation select 2x. It means output video will be at 120 frames per second, as original video is 60 frames per second. I will keep default sensitivity and click on Run. Output file is ready to play. Here we can check video frame rate is now 120 frames per second. Now let's try another video. Here I will try a shaky video. Here I will choose only stabilization option. I will keep 2-pass mode for best stabilization. Preset best stability. Now click on Analyze. Set other settings if you need, then click on Run. In program window you can check stabilization. Now I will choose preset balanced. Border color I will set replicate and crop type dynamic. Now click on Run. As you can see, output is now much better. Now close Video AI and let's try Image AI features. In Image AI you will see same type interface. Drag and drop an image. Choose GPU. Select AI model. Here also I will use Generative Detail version 3. Scale 4x. And you can see the output. Image is much clearer, has more details and much sharper. Click on Run to save the output image. Let's try another image. Image is upscale 2x with much sharpness and details. But let's try face restoration feature. Click on it. And now you can see the output. It's amazing quality. Click on Run to save image. Next AI feature is Audio AI, which can be used to improve audio quality. Drag and drop any audio file. Choose Noise Suppression AI model and click on Run. It also has volume control option. Except these AI tools, it has video converter which supports all type audio-video files to convert in other format. Downloader can be used to download any online video or audio. Recorder can be used as screen recorder with full features. WinX is celebrating its 19th anniversary, so you can get up to 72% off on latest products. It's limited time offer. Click on the link in video's description to avail this offer. To see more videos like this, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.